How to use Facebook Marketplace to list and sell any products. Whether you are decluttering your home or running a small business, Marketplace is a powerful tool to reach local buyers. Here's an updated guide on how to list and sell any products on Facebook Marketplace. Let's dive in. Launch your Facebook. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now, head over to the Marketplace tab. At the bottom, you'll find the Marketplace tab. Click on it. Once you're in the Marketplace page, over here you'll find this option of Sell. Click on it. Now you'll find the option of Your Listings. Click on it. Now in this page you're gonna find all the items that you have listed to sell. Now to create a new listing, click on the option of Create Listing. Different options will pop up. Select the one that is suitable for you. I'm gonna list a single item, so I will be selecting the option of one item. With that, your camera will open up. Now you can select the picture for the listing and then click on Done. Now you have to provide the details of the item, title, price, category, condition. If you want to add more details of the item, you can add it in the description box. Once you provide all the details, you can publish it. From here you can set the location. Likewise, if you want to list in more places, you can click on this option and go through it. If you want to hide this listing from your Facebook friends, enable for this option. Once you customize all the settings, you can click on the option of Publish Listings. With that, you have just posted the listing. After posting, be responsive, answer questions promptly and be polite to potential buyers. Fast responses can increase your chances of making a sale. Once sold, mark the item as sold to avoid continued inquiries. And that's how you list and sell any product on Facebook Marketplace. Follow these steps and you will have a greater chance of making quick and successful sales. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.